Again, this can was pretty disappointing, so here's an old 10 base T network card that I will never use again.